Yes.
It's Brazil.
Okay. That's all right. It's the World Cup's going to be in Brazil. Make sure you keep your parents down there. It's real cheap. All right. So you, what position do you play?
Center.
And other sports do you play?
Yeah, I play football and baseball.
Excellent. And Sean, good luck the rest of the way. And Miss Avery. Avery, you, what do you want to be? Get old.
Well, I want to graduate from MIT Tech.
MIT Tech. Wow. Actually, I think it would just be MIT, otherwise it's MITT. But do you know, can you tell them what MIT is?
I don't really remember.
Do you know the state?
No.
I think we're talking about Massachusetts Institute of Technology. So it's way on the other side of the country. Okay. Are you going to commute, or would you just go there and make sense? Okay. So, and what do you want to study there?
I haven't really decided yet. I just a lot of choices.
You have tons of time. Okay. And it's a great school. A lot of people know that school. Anyhow. And Emily Jacobs, are you involved in different activities here at the school?
Yeah.
And what are some of those?
I'm a cheerleader.
You're a cheerleader. Now, when you knew you were going to be up here, did you think about wearing your cheerleader outfit and then every time you answered one, you'd be like, hey, right? Nothing like that? Okay. So, are you involved in other things besides cheerleading? So,
In the summer, I play softball.
oh, you do? You play softball? You play and cheerleader at the same time?
Well, it's in the summer. But
Oh, well, congratulations. And we're going to go right on. You guys can get your remotes back. And we're going to go on to the double. Oh, well, before we do it, I just want to tell you, whoever wins this game is going to come back at 2:30 today to play the 7th and 8th grade champions for the school championship. And whoever wins the school championship, about 10 days after school is out in June, they will be going to Stanford Middle School to play the school champions from 10 other schools. So it's a big deal. All right, so good luck, you guys, and here we go.
And now, Double Jeopardy. Today's Double Jeopardy categories are
Our Earth, mixed up Gompers teachers. Now let me explain to you what this is. All right? In the clue, there will be a word that's in quotation marks. You have to take all those letters and unscramble them to get the last name of a Gompers teacher. Okay? And then we go, you do the math. Homophones, and if you're not sure what they are, you'll see it as it comes up. Summers and Sumer. Okay? And then we have a lot of lit. Now, these are from stories that we've read. These are the questions from stories that we've read. All right? And Sean, I picked you to go first. And Sean, you can see there's a ton of points, so don't worry about the scores now. Just start working on changing. All right?
Mixed up Gompers teachers 400.
Okay, next up for Gompers. She wasn't sure if she should write Kansas City on the board or KC.
What is Miss Rock?
Who is at work, but what is, I'll get it. And that is correct. R-O-C-K is the key. Very nice.
Summers and Sumer 400, please.
Summers and Sumer for 4. As they used to be in the United States, this was the lowest class in Sumerian society.
What are slaves?
Slaves, yes. Correct.
Our Earth 400, please.
Earth, 4. A seismograph is an instrument used to measure seismic waves, but this scale was the first in 1935 to measure earthquake magnitude.
What is the Richter scale?
The Richter scale, yes it is.
Mixed up Gompers teachers 800, please.
800. He said the student was running laps so fast, all he could see was the blur as he ran by. What's this? Who is it? Mr. Hulbert. H-U-L-B-E-R-T. That's correct. Thank you for not saying anything, you guys. Remember, you've got to get it right there.
Summers and Sumer 800, please.
Summers and Sumers for 8. The numbers, the Sumerian number system was based on this number, tick, 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 which affects our world to this day.
What is 12?
Sorry, that's incorrect.
What is 60?
It is 60. Get yourself going there.
On the phone is 400.
On the phone's for 4, okay? Here's the second one, the first one in this round. There's 2 in this round. Sean, you can see what you need to do. We haven't had this category yet, but you can bet all the way up to 2,000 if you would like.
Just 200.
Just 200, okay. And here's, it means to exist, or a honey maker.
What is a bee? What is a bee?
B. And where to, Sean?
You do the math, 400.
Okay. This is the simplest form of the fraction, 24/36.
What is 6 over 9?
Sorry, that is incorrect.
What is 1 over 3?
That's correct. 1/3. And where to, Sean?
You do the math, 800.
For 800. The improper fraction, 8/5, written as a mixed number, is this.
1 and 5. What is 1 and 3/5?
That's correct.
How many phones? 800.
Phones are 8. Was victorious, or a single thing.
What is 1?
1, W-O-N-R-O-N-E. Very nice.
Mixed up Gompers teachers, 1,200.
Okay, let's see who this is. After Spanish class, she tried putting the names of all the states in her computer, but she had an Arizona and Michigan error.
What is Mrs. Ramirez?
Ramirez. And where to?
You do the math, 1,200.
1,200. The decimal 0.4, written as a fraction in its lowest form, is this.
What is 2/5?
2/5 it is.
How many phones? 1,200.
Points for 12. First person singular, or the thing you see that person with.
What is I?
I. And Sean?
Mixed up Gompers teachers, 600.
For 1,600? Okay. In her class, we read a fun but confusing story titled, Or Mrs. Pie.
Who is Miss Primrose?
Miss Primrose.
A lot of lit for
A
400.
lot of lit for 4. In Flowers and Freckle Cream, the girl feels better after this person leaves a freckled tiger lily on her pillow.
What is her grandpa?
That is correct. Her grandpa.
Summers and Sumer, 1,200.
For 1,200. Over time, Sumerians stopped using pictographs and started using wedge-shaped symbols called this kind of writing.
What is cuneiform?
Cuneiform.
Summers and Sumer, 1,600.
1,600. Sumerians were among the first people to use this, a mixture of tin and copper, to make tools to both use and trade.
What is bronze?
I'm sorry?
What is bronze?
That is correct.